In this video, I will show you how to download Smartgaga. It is a very smooth emulator and can run FPS games on 2 GB RAM smoothly. The whole download process is in the video, so don't skip the video. The link is in the comment that I have pinned. Copy it from there and paste it on your Chrome browser. Somewhat like this interface will be appeared. Download the Smartgaga process from here. It is a Google Drive file. It has started downloaded. Wait for it to download. Alright, the setup is now downloaded. We will run it as administrator to install it. Just accept all the options that appears. It will take a little time, so wait for it to install. At last, when the shortcut is created, end the task from Task Manager. Now open the emulator. Download Aurora Store APK from Google Chrome. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Just simply drag the APK file into the Smartgaga emulator. The app will be installed. Now open the Aurora store and there will be plenty of options. Accept all these options. It will also grant storage access, so give it access. You will also have to sign in it, so sign in with Google. Type your email address and password here. After signing in, you will see there are many apps there like Play Store. You can download any app from there. Similarly, in the game section, there are many games, so you can download any game you want. You can also search any game in it. I will search 8-ball pool and download it. The game is being downloaded. Like this game, you can download any game. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel.